Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you a new song, and the new song is called Little Froggies Sing a Song. Please repeat after me as you learn how to read the words first. Little froggies sing a song. Little froggies sing a song. Singing, dancing all day long. Singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song. Little froggies sing a song. Okay, now it's time to just say the whole song with me. Let's try together. Little froggies sing a song. Singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song.
And now I would like to teach you how to sing Little Froggies Sing a Song. Please repeat after me as I sing. Little froggies sing a song. Little froggies sing a song. Singing, dancing all day long. Singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song. Little froggies sing a song. Okay, now that you know how to sing it, sing along with me. I'm gonna start with the introduction first. Little froggies sing a song, singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song. Little froggies sing a song, singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song. And now we're just gonna get faster and faster and faster and faster. Okay, so join me. Little froggies sing a song, singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song. Little froggies sing a song, singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song. Little froggies sing a song, singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song. Faster. Little froggies sing a song, singing, dancing all day long. Croak, 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 croak. Little froggies sing a song. How fast can you go? Can you go faster? Anyway, I hope you will have fun singing this song at home. And I look forward to hearing your voices as you record yourselves singing at home. Have fun!